The law does not care about you. Yes, you heard that correct. If you are a founder, you need to understand that the law does not care if you are raising a 5 lakh rupee check from your friend for your startup, or if you are raising a rupees 10 crore check from an institutional investor for your startup. There is no concept of an informal fundraising where you can just skip legal compliances because you're bringing in money from your mama or bhanja's account. It does not work that way. Which essentially means is that before you do your fundraise, you need to have your board resolutions in your place. You need to issue offer letters. You have to have your definitive agreements executed, and you have to do your filings before the ROC. And you cannot skip this just because you brought in money from your family or friends account. But even in cases where all of these things are done properly, in my experience as a corporate lawyer, I have seen legal mistakes happen apart from these. And one of those, which is the most common that I've seen, is that non-payment of stamp duties. Now, what you have to understand is that whenever you are executing a definitive agreement, whether it be a CCD, a share subscription agreement, etc., you have to pay a certain stamp duty that depends on the state that you are living in. And if you miss out on the stamp duty and you execute without paying it, then the consequence of it is not theoretical, it's actual, it's real. And that is that in case the matter goes in a dispute and you have to take that document to the court will not take that document as an evidence unless you rectify and you basically get that document impounded and pay a heavy penalty on that. Therefore, it is always advisable that you skip this drama later on in your life and you pay your stamp duty at the time of execution. Make sure when you are buying a stamp paper, the stamp paper is of the date of the execution or maybe a day prior to that. Don't have a stamp paper post the execution. That will be another non-compliance.